Welcome back to the show where some random Norwegian guy on the internet teaches you how to fold baby clothes. Today we are going to have a look at baby t-shirts. I'm going to show you two methods, three kind of. Let's start with the first one. It's going to be the flat fold / file fold. So we're going to start by placing our little baby t-shirt here with the front facing up. From here we are going to fold in the arms like this on both sides. I am going to split the t-shirt into three parts here. So this t-shirt, you can see, is kind of long. It like flares out. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to fold it in thirds from like the bottom. So you can imagine here, 1/3 down here would be like this. It won't be as far up here. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So you end up with something like this. Totally fine, no worries. From here, I'm going to turn it around a little bit so it's easy to work with. And I'm going to split it in three parts, but this time the other way, from top to bottom, right? And I'm going to fold it down 1/3 of the way down towards the bottom. And then just even it out there a little bit for you. And then one more time like so. Now you can store the t-shirts like this if you want to, but I do recommend that you actually lift them up and put them like this instead. This is called a file fold. You can place multiple ones next to each other. You have some kind of, just use some cheap boxes. This is like called IKEA Scub, cheap one. You can find it on Amazon as well. And you can stack them next to each other like so. But as you can imagine, this isn't good if you want to travel or something with your t-shirts. So I'm going to show you an alternative as well. This is called the Ranger Roll, and it's my personal favorite way to fold clothes. So this is a little bit of a variation on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take about, let's say, 5 inches or so, maybe 4 inches. And I'm going to flip it down at the back like this. So now I have the bottom here facing backwards. And from here, I'm going to again fold in both sides here of the arms like this. And we split the t-shirt into three parts again, from side to side, fold it in 1/3 of the way. And then from the other side, 1/3 of the way as well. As you can see, since this one flares, it kind of meets at the top here, but that's totally fine. Now I'm going to turn the entire thing around so that I have the shoulders facing towards me. And I am going to gently start rolling it up. I should note that this method may cause some slight creases, but it will hold the clothes really nicely together. So once we reach the bottom here, it's lifted up with one of your hands like so. And now I'm going to take this, you see this? I'm going to flip this over the rest of the roll here. Like this on one side, I'll turn it around and do the same thing on the other side as well. Like so. Maybe it will look a little bit weird the first couple of times you do this. You can just take your thumbs inside and make some slight adjustments like this. Give it a little bit of a massage. And yeah, that's a perfect way to fold your t-shirts. You can also do this for grown-up t-shirts. I actually have a cheat sheet that you can download on organizing.tv/free if you want step-by-step instructions that you can keep on your phone or something. I'm going to make one more baby clothes video where we basically make some day packs out of our clothes. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you over there.